beautiful day in the neighborhood, isn't it? Great day for a move. Awesome. Okay, so it is moving day one. Guess I could turn the camera around and show you guys what I'm working with here. I was supposed to move yesterday and that didn't work out because, you know, there were some things going on at the leasing office. I kept my patience though. I was about to lose it. But I made it work. Okay, let's turn the camera around. I'm just gonna show you guys the living room area. And maybe another little area too. So I'm just gonna give you guys a quick once over. I'm literally standing at the front door. This is my living area, kitchen. These are my chairs that I gotta put together. These are all of my clothes. That's here where my table will be whenever I get it. There was a snafu with that as well. So yeah, this is, you know, this is everything. I gotta get everything organized. I'm gonna turn on this light over here so you can see. This is my sunroom, and I'm also thinking about making it my desk area as well. This is my bedroom, and I've got to set everything up here is, well, and go around the corner here. This is the hallway that goes both ways. Got a nice walk-in closet for my washer dryer, walk-in closet for my bedroom. I'll show you guys that. My kitchen, and we're back around. This is the place, and we are just gonna work it how we can work it, and I'm looking forward to showing you guys how I decorate everything. That's always the most fun part about moving into a new place. Feeling a little sentimental, but I'm supposed to feel that. So yeah, the new place. So this is the guy from the furniture store who delivered my sofa and on the nice pretty legs. Okay, so my sofa is here, and it's a lot bigger than I thought for the size of my room, but I guess my living room, but we're gonna make it do what it do. It's nice though. I'm looking forward to getting some pillows and a nice throw and put on it, and you guys will see all of that once I take care of that, once I find what I want. But I like it. It's very plush. Love it. So this is me shopping around the at-home store. If you have one of these in your city, go over there and check it out. The decor is amazing. This is my third trip. And this is from my first haul over at Trader Joe's to try to fill the fridge. So that's how my cart started out. And this is how my cart ended up. Or if you go in Trader Joe's and you can't buy just one thing or just a couple things, that's just how it works over there. All right, and these are my greens to bless my place, since I wasn't in my place as soon as the new year started. They came out really delicious. And this is the roast chicken that I made to go with the greens with some red potatoes and some carrots. So delicious. If you follow me on Instagram, guys, you've seen this picture. I am at L.A.L Loving Life. This is how everything came out. It was delicious. I put some of the droppings from the chicken over the chicken and also over the veggies on the side as well. So delicious. I'm so happy I made this. This is my first meal in my new place, and I'm really happy. It couldn't have been better. So thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, share and comment for me. Make sure you check out my affiliates down below in the description box. And I really appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you go over to Lotus Doll Shop on Poshmark at L.A.L and check out what we got over there. Some really good stuff. Bye.
You can't keep holding on.